welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So guys, it has been a while. I've been not feeling well and many things going on. So today I feel better and I'm so happy to bring in this opportunity, like share with you guys this amazing opportunity. If you are watching this video, then you are lucky. Make sure you watch this video until the end for you everything that I'm gonna talk about. As you can see on my screen as I scroll down, we have many things, many activities going on this app. Okay, you can see we have $10, like we have a lot that we can do. Me and you can do this and earn this extra money with just doing simple things, just following instructions. We have many things, and the thing is, all these opportunities are limited. So if you happen to watch this video or you are lucky enough watching this video, I'm gonna guide you through step by step on how to do everything that you're supposed to know on this hi mama on this app in order to earn. So the only thing you need to do is watch the video until the end, because at the end of this video I'm gonna guide you on how to register. So please make sure you watch this video until the end for you to understand the whole procedure, because without following instructions, without following all the steps that I'm going to guide you, you may think that you've understood without watching the full video, but believe me, you really need to understand everything that I'm about to explain. And that is why most of the time I do the full tutorial guidance, like from zero step to the last step. So the only thing you need to know is like this video, the subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, guys. I know it has been a lot, like it has been like many days without uploading or updating you guys, but here I am today. I thank God, and I hope you too, as you watch this video, you feel good and you are doing well. So me too, I'm doing well with my baby girl over here. We thank God. So the first thing you need to do is to click on the link. So I'm gonna put the link of this app on the not description, but on the comment section of this video. And also I'm gonna put the video the WhatsApp chat group link on the comment section too. So I'm gonna direct you which one is for the app and which one is for WhatsApp chat group. Okay, so the next thing is you gonna download the app. Okay, so the first thing, if you click on the link of which I'm gonna take you through the registration procedure, that is, if you watch the video until the end, I'm gonna take you the whole procedure. But this thing you need to do is download the app. Then after that, you're gonna download the app through that link that you're gonna click on. Okay, so the next thing is you're gonna come to home. We can see home is here. This is the home section or home button here. Let me use an arrow there, guys. So after that, you'll be able to see this kind of you have different opportunities with different activities. The only thing you need to do is to follow instructions. You can see this example is like $1 for your first valid post. So everything you do here, they're gonna pay. You can see $1 too for every bag of trash. Okay, so we have number how many like 4,866 rewards left. So it depends with the opportunity that you are, or activity that you are doing, or you decided to do. We can see earn $5 by just planting a tree. So you can, like, you just follow instructions. We have this one is unlock your potential. Okay, unlock your potential with generative AI. Only 30 days, 39 days left, you win $10. So guys, these opportunities are for people people like me and you. We have this one is best photo 25 capture moments, then create memories, 73 days left. So what you need to do is just follow instructions according to the activity that is required, or you've decided to take. So make sure you follow instructions. For the first time, you're gonna do verification. So verification is so simple. Okay, so for the first thing, we have many things going on here, guys. I'm telling you, this app pays. Let me show you. I'm talking about something that I know works, and many people have withdrawn. If you decided to do a research on about Goodwall, you'll see many transactions. So let me see one of the transactions some of the transactions that I know. You can see this person got you can see, whoa, you just received 48 USDC courtesy of goodwill SA. Okay, that is in South Africa. Okay, so we also have another withdrawal. You can see this person has withdrawn multiple times, and the minimal withdrawal is 35 USDC. Okay, for those who don't know what USD is, USDC is a cryptocurrency. It's just like USDT. So one USDC is equal to $1. Okay, so you can withdraw your USDT or your USDC. You can withdraw. We're gonna see, we will learn how many withdrawal methods they use or they have. We have different challenges. You can see right here, this person managed to withdraw 3 times. You can see this was May 4th, then May 5th, May 8th. You can see this was like, we have many withdrawals going on and it's still active. So you see the different challenges that we have, guys, and no one is limited. All of us can join and get something from it. Okay, it's the first time, guys, you're gonna click on this area here for the verification. Okay, you're gonna click on this area, this profile, like, okay, so if you tap on it like this, you'll be able to see different things. We have another campaign going on which is active. You can see get $2 or 2 USDT, because 1 USDC is equal to $1. So get 2 USDT for every invite. Okay, it's so simple. It's so simple. You get $2 for every invite, and make sure it is valid. Don't refer yourself, refer real people. Fake accounts are detected and you will be flagged. They will be flagged out, and at the same time your account will be banned or suspended, so you won't be able to perform any task on this app. Okay, the next thing, you can see how many opportunities we have here for these activities. 875 opportunities or rewards left, so make sure you grab it and early as now. And the opportunity is also limited within 28 days, so it means that maybe this month. Okay, so it is limited. Okay, so if you click on something that I need you to do is you have to verify yourself. So to keep your account secure and unlock key features, verification is a must, but referral or inviting is not a must. Okay, but verification is a must. So to keep your account secure and unlock key features, please complete these 2-question verification steps. This helps us to protect your account and ensure that only verified users can access important actions. So guys, you really need this, because for you to access the activities or to perform any task in the app or on the app, you really need to do a verification. So you have 2 types of verification. So the first time, when you register on the app, you'll need to do email verification that I'm going to take you through on how to do it. Okay, so this one is confirm your email address or phone number by just following the verification link or entering the OTP we send you. This ensures we can contact you safely and securely. Another one is verify your identity by help us keep your account secure by confirming it's really you with a quick selfie. This ensures that only verified users can perform sensitive actions like inviting friends or making withdrawals. Guys, I don't want to make this video long, but I'm doing all these steps so that you guys can know what exactly you're supposed to do while doing all these things. Okay, so the first thing is you gonna click on this arrow here for you to perform that verification task. Then this one, you're also going to click on that arrow. Okay, so for example, if you tap on it like this, you can see let's verify it. You click on the link we sent to this account. That is my account. Okay, so guys, that is that. So that is exactly mama, come on, don't make noise. So that is exactly what you're gonna do. Okay, that is what exactly you're gonna do in order to earn some extra cash on this app. Okay, so let me take you to your profile. Okay, so let me take you to your profile is right here. We have your profile right here. Okay, I hope you can see that. So we're gonna tap on it to see what exactly we need to do on our profile in order order to qualify for the activities. So for the first time, guys, you can see right here we have, you'll be able to see votes, we have followers, we have following, okay, and you can also add your skills, add a skill to begin your journey, okay. Yeah, so that this one you can do with ChatGPT, okay. Then you have to put your profile picture, and also you can edit through this section, so you can put about yourself or the skills that you have, okay. It's so simple, and that will be it. So if you click on this page, so guys, you'll be able to see your balance here. So if you tap on your balance, you'll be able to see the amount you have so far, and immediately you reach 35 USDT or $35, you'll be able to withdraw, because that is the minimal amount allowed for withdrawal. So you can see how does withdrawal work. You can go through it by yourself right here. Right here, guys, you can go to that section to read everything. You can see impact actions. Mama, stop making noise. Then you can also see invites, okay. Then you can see challenges you've done so far, and you can also see the incentivized surveys. You can also do surveys, okay. You can see everything is here, what you've done and what you have not done, and the withdrawals you've made so far, okay. So this is a new account, okay. So if you go to settings, you'll be able to do all that by yourself, okay. It's so simple. So it's so simple, guys. It's so simple. It's so simple. You just need to follow instructions on every section, okay. So you can see everything is here. You can follow, or you can just click on shortcut. Mama, stop making noise, Naya. So let me tell you something, guys. Immediately you click on the link. Okay, don't mind my baby, she's just noisy girl. Yeah, that is how I live with her. I love her noise, so don't mind her. I don't have any option. She's awake. So guys, the thing is, Mama, just make noise slowly, please. So guys, after that, let me show you something which is so important. Let me show you something which is so important. In case you don't understand anything, or there is some confusion, or you have a question or a concern, just comment on the comment section, or join our WhatsApp chat group with the link that I'm going to put on the comment section, so that you'll be able to reach me directly on WhatsApp. Just contact the admin there, you'll be able to reach me directly. So that is if you have any question, okay. So these things, you just need to follow instructions. Just click on each task or each activity that you want to do. Just click on it, follow instructions. So simple. So something that you really need to do, guys, is when you are sent an email for verification when you first register, okay, this is what you need to know. So guys, you can see if these people send you email on verification to verify, you will see the email like, "Hi Cynthia, to benefit from Goodwall and begin your journey, sorry, please verify your email address. Click the link to validate your account." So you won't see any link, but this is what you're supposed to do. This is why I'm saying that these instructions are so important. So you're gonna click on this area right here. Click on this, click on the link. Immediately you click on it, like if you click on that place, you'll be able to, or already I've done mine, so it will not open. So we're gonna click on that place, click on the link, okay. You see that link here, you're gonna click on it, then it will bring something like this. So click on that place written link, okay. Click on the place written link, then open it with either your Goodwall account or app, or your Chrome app, okay. It's so simple, guys, so simple. Then do verification, process verification, then you'll be good to go. So guys, in case you have any question, I'm gonna do more updates on this app. I'm gonna make another video, okay. So guys, join. This opportunity is free, it is worldwide. Even people from like different countries can join. No one is limited, so long as you are 18 years and old and above. Yeah, you can join and do the activities and earn your own. Okay, it is free, it is valid, it is legit, it is good, it is worldwide, it is working, it is perfect. Anybody watching this video, you are lucky. I'm gonna do more tutorials. So if you're lucky to watch this video, make sure you check on the next video that I'm about to post. And if you also want to learn more about different sites I've posted before, make sure you watch my previous videos. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you next time. I'm going to cut this video here. I'm gonna upload another one. Thank you guys. See you in my next video guys. See you. Mama, come here.